So guys, test natin ENC 855 na rifle, two-tone. So 13 inches yung front assembly, full metal receiver, BCM grip with a BCM flash hider. So naka-PMAG, mid cap. So may kasama na rin yung base pad. Ito with TTI markings. So naka BCM stock din. Okay, so test natin. G. Yung price pala 14,300. And FPS out of the box is around 450 plus. Tama na. So for details, may available pa in color black. Details guys, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi PH.